One dreamy afternoon, I found a strange key lying on my desk. It didn't fit any door I knew. Until I saw a glowing lock I had never noticed before. That's how my adventure to another world began.
Today, let's explore how fantasy narrative open doors to endless imagination.
Hi everyone, let's start by understanding what a narrative text is. Narrative text is a type of text that tells a story. It can be fiction or non-fiction. The purpose is mainly to entertain the reader or the listener. Sometimes it also delivers important lessons or messages. Narrative texts are commonly found in fairy tales, fables, myths, and folklores. These stories have a beginning, middle, and end. The social function of narrative text is to amuse, to entertain, and to moral values through storytelling. By reading narrative text, we can learn from the experiences of characters, enjoy their adventures, and reflect on the message behind the stories. Let's now continue with the structure of the text.
Let's talk about general structure of narrative text. Three main parts in a narrative text. 1. Orientation, the beginning of the story. In intertards of the main character, the setting, time and place, and situation. Example, once upon a time in a quiet village, there lived a wise old man. 2. Complication. This part is where the problem starts. Character face conflict or challenge. It makes the story interesting. One day a dragon comes and destroys the village. 3. Resolution. This is the solution to the problem. Conflict is resolved. And the story comes to an end. Sometimes ending is happy and sometimes it is sad or surprising. Now let's look at the language used in it.
Narrative texts have unique language features that are the characteristic of the language used in the story. Let's look at the main features. 1. Past tense. Narrative texts usually use past tense verbs. Example, walked, train, was, had, saw. 2. Time connective. They use time-related words to show the sequence of events. Example, upon a time, then, suddenly, after that, finally. Narrative describe action using action verbs. Example, shouted, rescued, chased, hit. 4. Direct speech. Dialogue between characters is often used. Example, the mouse said, please don't eat me. 5. Descriptive language to describe the setting and character. Example, a tall, scary kind, quiet, dark forest.
Okay, let me show you an example of narrative text. The title is The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time in a jungle, a lion was asleep under a tree. A small mouse ran over his body. The lion woke up and caught the mouse with his big paw. The mouse begged for forgiveness. Please, let me go, and I promise I will help you someday. The lion laughed, but released the mouse. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared for help. The mouse heard him and ran quickly. He bit the rope with his small teeth and freed the lion. The lion was surprised and said, "Thank you, little mouse. I didn't expect you could help me. From this day on, the lion and the mouse
Became good friends.
Example analysis. Now let's analyze the example. Them. The theme of the story is kindness and friendship. It's so how helping others. No matter how small, it's always valuable. Conflict. The conflict happens when the lion gets caught in the hunter traps. It creates tension and drive the story forward. Moral value. The moral value is no act of kindness is ever wasted. Even the smallest gesture can make a big difference. Advice. Don't underestimate other base, other size, or status. Be humble, be kind, and always be willing to help.